Hi there. The nominees for the Best Drama Series Soap are... The award goes to... the Tudors.
Oh my goodness, it's nerve-wracking. I have so many people to thank, but let me start by thanking the Irish government for extending Section 481, because it means an awful lot to us as an industry. And I'd also like to thank the Irish Film Board for their tremendous support. And Michael Hurst, Seamus McInerney, James Flynn, we all would like to accept this, despite what Ryan says, on behalf of the entire crew, the actors, the directors, and all of the fine crew we had. And finally, I'd just like to say thank you to all of our families, because as you probably know, if you've worked in episodic television, it seems to go on endlessly. It's not like a feature film. And we're now approaching the third year of the Tudors, because you haven't seen season 2, but it will start very shortly on both TV3 and, of course, BBC 2. And I'd also like to thank, naturally enough, the audience who've watched us on both BBC and on TV3. Our thanks to them. So thanks again, and good night.